guys, welcome back to BiharGeeks. So today we are going to solve a very interesting problem, that is reorder list. Okay, so the problem statement here says that we have given the head of a single linked list. Okay, and this list can be represented as this way. Okay, as 0, 1, 2, 3. Basically, it's a indexing. Okay, and we have to reorder the list in the way that first value is like followed by the last value, and then the second value is basically followed by the last second value. Okay, as you see in this example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So first will be 1, and then it will be followed by the last element, that will be the 4, and then the loop will be moved forward and there will be 2, and then 2 will be followed by the last second, so last second is the third. So the list will be look like this only. Fine. So as you understood the problem, so the approach I'm going to follow here, that I will first find the mid, okay, mid node. Fine. And we'll use two pointers here. First will be the fast, and there will be a slow pointer. So slow pointer will be moving one step by step, and the fast pointer will be moved by double steps. Okay, and then we will reverse the second half of the linked list, and then we will merge two halves by alternating the nodes from each half. Okay, so how I'm going to do, let's start with the code. I will show you how I'm going to solve this. So as we have a linked list, so first we have to put a base case condition here. So base case condition will be, if our head is null here, or maybe there is a condition that it will have only single node. Okay, so in that case we just simply return from here. Fine. Next, so we will start with the first step. As I told you, we will have to find the middle node using the slow and the fast pointer. Okay, so we'll make two pointers here. First will be slow, which will have a value of head inside it, and second will be the fast, that will also have a same value, that is head inside it. Now we need to iterate using a loop file, and inside that I have to put a condition that fast is not equal to null, and fast next fast next is not equal to null. Till that this loop will be working. Here we have to do slow will be stepping to one step at a time. Okay, and for the fast I already told that it will move the double step. So fast dot next. Okay, so we will move forward, and from here we will get a middle. Now we have to, what we have to do, step 2 is the reverse the second half of the list. So that we are going to do, so we will have a list node. Okay, and inside that we will have a second half. I will keep it in the name as second half. Okay, and I will create a one helper method here, that will name it as reverse list. Simply we keep it as like this, and inside that we will uh, pass the pointer of slow dot next. Okay, and after that the slow dot next will be equal to null here. So we break the first half from the second using this. Now there will be a step 3 where we have to merge the both halves together. So there will be list node, and there will be name it as first half here. Okay, and put it the value inside it head. Okay, and there will be another helper method that will use for the merging both the list. So I will keep it name as merge list only. Okay, and here I will pass the both first half and the second half inside it. Okay, and it is done now. And now we have to write these things. First have to write the function for the reverse list. Okay, so let me put a private, and it will be of the type list node only. So I'm keeping it here, reverse list, and inside this we'll have list node and keep it the name as head only. Okay, now we need list node, and we'll keep the value as a previous. We'll keep it as null here. Okay, and we have to reverse, so we need a two pointers here again, one for the previous and one for the current head. So we'll keep it current, and that will have a value of head. Okay, now we need a loop to iterate, so we'll use current till that it is not equal to null. We'll make the loop run, and inside this we will need a list node. Name it as next node equal to that current dot next. What is happening here, we are just basically store the next node here in this step. Okay, next we have to do current dot next equal to previous. So what we are doing, we are reversing the link here. Okay, now prv equal to current, so we are move the previous head. Okay, now current is equal to next node here, so we are just move the current head now. Okay, after doing this we are done with the reverse list. We just simply now return the previous from here, so it's a new head of the reverse list from here. Okay, now we have to write for the merge list. Now let me copy this, and now we have to write for the this case. So private, and it will be of type void only. Okay, we just merging here, and we have already put the name merge list here. It will have two things. First will be the node, and it will have first node, and same list node will have a second. Fine. Now inside this we have to iterate. Okay, so we'll put the condition of like list node is not equal to null, and same for the second is not equal to null. Till that the loop will be run, and inside that we need a temporary thing. Okay, so we'll put it at temp. Okay, we need basically two temps here, first for the first node and second for the second. So I'm putting temp 1 for the first next dot next, and take another for temp 2, and inside this I will keep it second dot next inside it. Okay, now we have to link the first node with second. Okay, so in that case first dot next equal to second second. Okay, so we just did that we did the link with the node. Basically we did a first node with second, we just make a link with that. Okay, now we have to check that temp 1 is equal to null or not. If it's null, we just simply break from here. It means that we have reached to the end. Okay, now we have to do the second dot next equal to temp 1. Okay, now we will start with this. We keep it 1 2 second. Okay, now we have to Using this 49 step, we just simply link the second node with the first next. Okay, now we have to move the node. So first will be equal to temp1 and second will be equal to temp2 from here. Okay, so this is done now. Let me run this. So we are getting that symbol not found, line number 19. Slow equal to next. Okay, so it's got accepted. Now let me submit this. Okay, it's got accepted with 85.90%. Okay, so what we have did here, we have just first we have find the middle node. Second, we reverse the second half. Okay, and thirdly, we merge the both halves together using this particular method. Okay, and if we talk about the complexity here, time complexity, so to find the middle one, so for that case, we have a complexity of O of n. To reverse the second half, it took like the complexity of O of n only, and to merge the both halves, again it took O of n complexity. So if we talk about the overall complexity for this case, so it is of n only. Okay, and if we talk about the space complexity here, it is like of 1 only, because we have used only modifying the pointer with no extra space for here. Okay, so this is done now. So hope you like the solution, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.